going? Caitlin Nic Gabhann here. Going to play a few tunes here now for the UCC TradFest, and I have great memories of my 4 years I spent at UCC. I did my undergrad, and then I came back a couple of years later and did a master's at UCC, and I was involved in the TradFest the whole time I was there, and it was brilliant, great crack, the best crack. So thanks for asking me to play a few tunes for you now for the festival. I'm going to start with a set dance called Plankstee Davis. That was a set dance. Brings me back to my days dancing at feshes. That one is called Planxty Davis, and I really enjoying playing that tune the past year or so, and coming back to all the set dances from my days competing in Irish dancing feshes. It's much easier to play them than to dance them. But I'm going to continue now with a few reels, and I wanted to play some tunes that I associate with my time at UCC, my time in Cork. So the first one here is one that I wrote while I was living down there and while I was studying at the music department in Sundayswell. So I called this reel the Leeside Sessions, and I actually wrote it as a 2-part tune first, and then Kieran, my husband, later we worked on a kind of a third part together, so we added a third part to it, so it's now a 3-part tune. So I'll go into a couple of other tunes after that, called The Reel with the Beryl, one that Mrs. Crotty used to play, and then Come West Along the Road to finish. So 3 reels. first one was the Leeside Sessions Cork tune, and the second one was The Reel with the Beryl, and the last one then was Come West Along the Road. So I'll play one more tune, and while I was living down in Cork and going to Sundays well to the music department, I got more and more into writing tunes. So the Leeside Sessions there was one of them, but another one was Sundays Well, Waltz. So the music department there at Sundays Well, and I lived up there during my master's year, and it's just a great view overlooking the city. And so I decided to call the waltz Sundays Well after it. So thanks a million for having me. Best of luck with the rest of the festival, and hopefully we'll catch you in Cork sometime soon. I'd love to get back down there. Always have a great time down in Cork. So here's Sundays Well to finish up. Thanks very much. All more leis an bhéile. Can see you soon.